Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be talking all about ColourPop's Lunar New Year collection for the year of the tiger. I got sent everything in PR, which I was so excited to see in the mail because I think they did a really great job this year compared to last year. I think it's such a huge improvement, and I recently did a video where I judged a lot of Lunar New Year makeup releases, so I'll leave that in the card up here if you'd like to check that out. I'm wearing exactly the same outfit, did my hair the same, but my makeup is different because obviously today I'm wearing the collection. But I did talk about this collection that ColourPop did along with many more, so if you would like to check that out, I'll leave it up in the cards for you and also in my description box. But today we are going to talk about this collection. It's nice and small, not too many things, which I do like. So with that being said, if you guys are curious about ColourPop's Lunar New Year collection for the year of the tiger, then please continue watching. Alright, so here I have the PR box right next to me on display. Maybe if you purchase the entire set, it might come in this box, I'm not too sure. But the whole packaging and design on this collection I think is really beautiful. I think it's very traditional while it's still quite minimal as well. It also comes with this like little angbao, a little red envelope. Again, not sure if you will get this if you buy the full set or if it's just exclusive for PR, but I think this is really cute. Like, I would repurpose this as a red bag, but I guess I will just run through each product one by one and go through it like that. So the first thing we have in the collection is of course the eyeshadow quad. This is a Get 'Em Tiger and this is $10 US. The outer packaging is the only thing that is different. The actual quad itself is the same packaging, but on the back it is red, so that's slightly different from their other quads. So we have 4 shadows, 2 of them are matte, one is a metallic, and then one is a pressed glitter. Although this metallic feels very, very soft, I almost thought it was a super shock, but it's not. It's just a metallic, so 2 mattes, 1 metallic, 1 pressed glitter, and depending on your preference of makeup, you might hate that there is a glitter in here, but for me personally, I think this is a really nice quad. I will quickly break down my eye look today. So I took the shade Moon Mixer as my transition shadow. This is more of like a medium tone terracotta orange, so if you have a deeper complexion, this definitely will show up because it is more of a medium tone, but it is super warm and rich. We love a good orange transition shadow, so I took that onto my lids as the base color, and then I also took that onto my lower lash line as well. Next I went into the shade Feline myself, and I placed this at the outer corners of my eyes. This is more of a mid-tone to deep darker brown, so it works really great at the outer corners, and you can also use this to smoke out your wing as well. But I just focused that at the outer corners of my eyes to get some depth, and then I also took that onto my lower lash line as well, just to give a bit of definition. And then I went ahead and took the shade In the Wild, and I placed that at the inner third of my eyes as the metallic shadow. I also took that into my inner corners and also on my lower lash line as well at the inner third to just really highlight that area. And this is a really beautiful light golden, but it almost has like an orangey undertone to it, so it's super warm and it complements the mattes perfectly. I think this is a really beautiful shadow. It is super reflective as well. And then I took the shade Best of Luck, which is the pressed glitter, and I mainly placed that on my lower lash line just to enhance that like sort of eggshell style but not so eggshell style. I love placing glitter on my lower lash, and then I just took a dab of it on top of the metallic shadow In the Wild just to get a little bit more glimmer. And then this is the completed look. I think it's super warm and rich. I think it complements the lip colors really well, which we're going to talk about a little bit later on. I feel like it is just a universal kind of warm tone little quad. For me personally, I do like the ratio of mattes and like shimmers. I do like the glitter. I think it's very appropriate, and I think they did a really great job with this quad. I know it's super basic, it's super simple. You could definitely dupe this quad like that. It is so simple to dupe, but I think for this collection it is super appropriate and I really like it. I'm really happy with this, so I really like this. And if you have a friend or family that's in the year of the tiger, I think they would really enjoy this quad. I think it's a nice gift to give, or a little gift to yourself if you are born in the year of the tiger. And next up in the collection, we have 3 lippies from the Fresh Kiss family. So we have the lip cream, the glossy lip stain, as well as the lip lacquer. So these are $8 US each, or you can get all 3 as a set for $22 US. This is what the outer packaging looks like. It has that same design, and then on the actual component it has the flowers on the cap. And within these 3, honestly, all 3 of the reds look very similar. It just comes in different formulations, so it's great. Like, I don't think you necessarily need to get the set, get all 3. Just pick the formula you like and get that red. And again, with the reds have been done so many times from ColourPop, from other brands. I'm sure you have a go-to red in your collection, of course, right? But you can't go wrong with the good classic red. So we have the lip cream, which is what I'm wearing right now and probably is my favorite. I do just love sort of a liquid lipstick type of formula, and that is what the lip cream is. It dries down like semi-matte. You will get a little bit of transfer, but you will get like a very nice blotted look. And then you have the glossy lip stain, which is a really nice deep red, not too deep. It still has that brightness to it as well. So if you love a good lip stain, this one would be ideal. And then lastly, we have the lip lacquer, which I find to be just a little bit brighter, like a brighter red compared to all of the other reds within the 3. So again, I think this is more of like a giftable kind of item. Not necessarily you need all 3. Nothing in this collection is like unique when it comes to shades, but it suits the collection. Like, look at this look that I have on right now. I feel like all the colors, all the tones are very on point. So yeah, it fits the theme, it fits the collection. And then the other 2 products come from their sister brands. So we first have the Soul Body Shimmering Body Powder in the shade Lunar or Later. I personally don't like the Soul body powders. I don't use them. Not that they are a bad formula, I just don't use shimmer on my body. I do keep covered up for the most part. It is a really pretty shade. It's a really nice golden color. I'm probably gonna pass this one on to my friend because she is born in the year of the tiger, and I think she might enjoy this. I don't know, even if she doesn't, like, it's her year, so I'm gonna give this to her probably. I don't reach for these body shimmers. I do like from time to time, but it's usually for like YouTube videos or like Instagram looks. I don't really reach for them in like my day-to-day life, so I'm gonna pass that on, but that is what's in the collection. And then lastly, we have the White Peach Body Milk from 4th Grade Beauty. I actually already own this. I keep one in my car just in case I forget to moisturize my leg. It's a really nice lightweight body moisturizer, so it's quite nice, but this is already existing. It is in the mini size and it is $10 US. So that was pretty much everything in the collection. If you would like to purchase everything all together as a whole, it is $52 US, and I do have an affiliated code with ColourPop. It is just my name, Judy, at checkout for 10% off, and I do earn a small commission if you do choose to use my code, but that in return supports me and my channel, so thank you so much in advance if you do choose to use my code. But that does conclude today's video, guys. That was a breakdown on their Lunar New Year collection for the year of the tiger. I definitely think it was a big improvement from last year, because last year they just did like single existing shadows in a magnetic pan. At least this year, like, everything is pretty much new besides the body milk, so that was nice. Even though it's a small collection, I think it was really well done. I think they got all the colors, the packaging, it's beautiful. So I love to see that they are improving on that. But that will conclude today's video, guys. So if you did enjoy the video and you found it helpful, if you could give the video a thumbs up for me, I'd appreciate it so much. Thank you for watching as always. I love you so much, and I'll go ahead and see you in my next video. Bye!